This took weeks to collect and only seconds to melt. Over the past few videos, I've been collecting gold. Gold-plated circuit boards and gold-plated fingers that most people ignore. Today, we melt all of it. By the end of this video, this pile becomes solid gold. If you're new here, this gold wasn't bought. It was collected slowly over time from circuit boards and gold-plated fingers. Each piece looks tiny on its own, but together it sure adds up. Just a quick safety note here, melting metal is dangerous, especially if you're careless. Always wear protection, gloves, eyes, work in a ventilated area, and never rush. Here is everything I'm using today, simple and beginner friendly. A resting brick, a crucible holder, high quality insulation, mold, crucible, borax. And of course, 2 map torches. And now, the moment of truth. Now this is my favorite part, watching metal turn into liquid fire. Now that is molten gold. from precipitant powder to one solid piece. Final total weight 4.4 grams. At today's prices, that's worth just about $560 US. If you're a beginner, start small, stay safe, and stay patient. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see melted next.